Belize's highways will soon see the implementation of specialized highway patrols. Today, 35 transport officers graduated from the Department of Transport's rigorous traffic enforcement training program. According to Chief Executive Officer Chester Williams, the initiative is part of a broader, aggressive push to modernize road policing and enhance public safety nationwide.
We don't want to have situations where officers are out there performing their duties, put together a good case file, and when time comes, the matter would fall through the courts because they do not follow the proper process in effecting the arrest. So basically, the training was for that. Again, training for us is important. The minister has been stressing over and over the importance of making sure that we empower our people with knowledge so that they can be out there and discharge their duties the way they should. We cannot just give people uniform and tell them to go out and do our work without telling them what the work entails and how to do it. And that's the reason why we have been pressing on training.
But this wasn't just another graduation ceremony. The officers spent the course learning far more than how to issue tickets. They were trained in lawful arrest procedures, preparing court-ready case files, collecting evidence, and using new technology. According to Chief Traffic Officer Leon Gentle, the goal is to ensure better interactions between traffic officers and public citizens.
Well, the design of this course is a short course. It's catered specifically to looking at producing the case files based on samples, urine samples, as well as the breathalyzer, and for the use of the digital, the dash cams and the body cams. One of the reasons why we employ that our officers use the body cams is for the trust in the public, to emphasize the idea that the interaction between them is also being monitored. The idea that the officers are trained to carry out that specific function in dealing with the public is one of the main reasons for this type of training.
And one of the ways that citizens interact most with these officers is through checkpoints. Williams says that there needs to be a level of understanding for both citizens and traffic officers when maneuvering them.
The checkpoint can be good, it can also be bad. It is our duty or hope to see how we can strike that balance, that we remove the bad by ensuring that officers who perform these checkpoints do not have long lines at the checkpoint. Obviously, as I said to them, the long lines, 3 miles long, having motorists waiting up to an hour in a traffic line is going to frustrate anybody. And so we have to be reasonable in ensuring that we don't allow the lines to get too long. When you see the line reach a certain length, we can just wave vehicles through, and when it shortens, we're going to stop again or do random stopping. And when we do stop, we pull the vehicle over on the bay of the road and check what we need to check so that other traffic can flow. So we have to do it in such a way that not to appease the public per se, but for the public to be able to reach that stage where they can understand and they'll be able to accept the waiting period in the lines at the checkpoints.
So another training cohort is set to start on Monday. Jaleesa Roberts, 7 News.